Oh, the motivation about LetsTrust was in 2016 you could not buy TPMs directly for development or something else. The idea behind was bring up the possibility to the developers and makers to create secure products. Well, actually we start for developing for students or makers or something. This was the intention. But then we came up to
I'm building cupcakes.
Tiny companies that they want enhance their products with TPM functionality or to have a secure storage. And that was also beneficial for customers that they could add actual
also the AI modules.
TPM functionality.
We go into them.
We have a TPM functionality, only plug over USB. And this is much easier that you buy a Pi, buy an SD card, buy everything around and on TPM. Now you could program and develop your application on TPMs directly with such USB sticks. We have an integration in the TSS directly. So actually, if you check out the TSS stack, then you could directly use LetsTrust TPM together. The magic behind is only a USB bridge to SPI, and behind this SPI bridge you find an Infineon TPM. And here we have the newest version, the SLB9672 with firmware 15. And that is an enhancement regarding to our to the first LetsTrust product. There we have only the SLB9670 on the chip itself. We have new boards in production with the 9672.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
And will come out in the next 3 to 5 months. That is a completely drop-in replacement. We have the same PCB, we have the same components around, and the PCB was designed directly that we could interchange TPMs from vendors or maybe from the same vendor with newer chip versions. The 9670 was the older ones, came out in 2016, and the latest version came out in so the latest firmware version for that came out in 2019. Now we have the SLB9672. It's a little bit faster and supports more features. So we have more NVs. So regarding the old ones have 7 kilobytes, the new one has 53 kilobytes of RAM. We have GPIOs, we have crypto features inside of the TPM. But for a good comparison, I would really recommend go to the Infineon website and look directly through it. This is LetsTrust TPM to go. This is the idea to build up LetsTrust TPM to go quad, so that we have 4 TPMs on one USB stick. And this idea behind is that we could enhance old systems with such functionalities. But in such cases you have a big server with several virtual machines, but on every single virtual machine you don't have a TPM. Regarding the TPM on the server is relied to the hypervisor. So you could not use the TPM from the hypervisor for your virtual machines. But with a TPM on a USB stick, you could attach the USB stick directly to your virtual machine, and then you could enhance your virtual machine with hardware cryptography TPM functionality. LetsTrust.de, that's my webpage. There I bring some blog posts. You could also find information about TPMs on the TPM.dev. That's a community around Dimitar Tomov. And also, if you want to buy products like the LetsTrust TPM, you could directly go to buy0.de.